All right, so let's talk about the storms, how it's still coming through, but it's passing. But this is how it looks now. Looks a whole lot better.
And it really is. I mean, and during hurricane season, you know, ones in June typically.
A whole lot better. You can see the lake now. Storms pass. See birds flying. So, yeah. Oh yeah.
Very, very heavy thunderstorms across the area, and there's thunderstorm warning for Hillsborough and for Pasco counties.
So there it is. Storm has passed. And I'm sure Marcy Brill and Kalina get here safe with it. Marcy gets off at 7, but she had to chill over the job until the storm passed and then pick up Marcy. So here we are. Here we go. Bada bing, bada boom. Y'all stay safe out there. It looks good.